In this video, I'll show you how to scan QR code in 888 stars. That is subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888 stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So to scan a QR code, the first thing is go to the phone that you want to show the QR code from. So go over to settings, and then on that phone, you're going to come down to share app their QR code. Now once you're here on the other phone, remember for you to scan a QR code, you need two phones. The first phone where the QR code is going to be on, and the second phone where you are going to be scanning the QR code from. So I'm assuming that the QR code is on a different phone, so this has to first get the QR code. Now once it's loaded, you just go ahead to your settings and choose the option that says scan QR code here, and then you scan the code from where the code is, and that's how to scan QR code on 888 stars.